Telenoticia televidente, and welcome to the year 2024. How did you open it? Is it safe to say that 1, it was filled with fireworks, 2, pagadas, and 3, spending time with your family? If the answer is yes, well then that's very typical and some of the key elements that makes the Aruban yearly tradition so unique and special as well as magical. Some would even argue there's nothing quite like the Aruban New Year's Eve tradition. It is highly anticipated every December 31st. Here is a little recap on New Year's Eve 2023. You'll see containers like these set up everywhere on the island, and there will be signs. Or maybe there's people laying out red everywhere. It can only mean one thing. It is New Year's Eve in Aruba. Some would argue nothing beats an Aruban celebration of the New Year.
It has to be like pa 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 and then Happy New Year.
Simply and accurately put by Marion, Aruba's sky explodes with fireworks anywhere you look when the clock strikes 12 every New Year's Eve. Here's a reminder as to why.
Pagadas or fireworks usually is tradition in Aruba to how you say it? Korefuku, how you say it? Bad ghosts, bad spirits, and then to open up the new year with positive feelings, positive mind, and everything positive.
Not only does it drive away bad spirits, but it also brings good fortune.
It brings luck, especially luck, maybe much more money for the new year, or much more health, or so on. Everything positive. So they throw the fireworks to move away the bad spirits, move away all the bad things that happened in the old year, and to welcome the new year with positivism.
Yes, fireworks are loud. Yes, they are colorful, but there is something much more meaningful to fireworks, and that's unity. Take a look here at downtown Orangestad on New Year's Eve, where families gather with their children to take part in this special tradition. Memories are made and moments are captured. Lighting up pagadas or fireworks signifies unity. These children, part of the Koch family, were excited to show me what they were getting. You do it with them, so is it kind of family time?
Yes, we do it, and every year we do it, and them like I like to see them when they start to do the fire and then start running.
Yes, because every New Year we go to my grandma's house, we turn the fireworks on. Also the kids, they think it's very fun. Of course, we help them, we grown-ups help them, so yeah.
Especially the kids, especially when we were kids, and it goes on, because we work, look at the kids here, they go crazy with buying firecrackers.
I think it's important because the family can turn it together, a lot of colors. At 12 o'clock, me and my family usually go to my grandma's house, and there we stay, we have champagne and things, so yeah.
For the family, after fireworks, after throwing everything, we will have like family gatherings, eating, drinking, chatting, and most of the time partying till the morning.
The way our One Happy Island gathers for pagadas year after year, plus the excitement and energy you can simply feel about lighting up fireworks on December 31st is unique to Aruba, something you can't find anywhere else.
I think it's really beautiful because I just came back from the Netherlands and I don't see that kind of a vibe going around. So to see that our country has our own kind of like way of celebrating the New Year, I think it's really amazing to see, hey, we can do it a different way than the other country. So it's like a staple to our country. Whenever a tourist or someone doesn't know about the Aruba, this could be something that we can represent about.
Giovanni would go so far as to saying that everyone should experience New Year's Eve in Aruba at least once in their lifetime. And would you say would New Year's be the same on the island if there was no fireworks?
absolutely different. I wouldn't enjoy it as much. I think everyone is excited when the midnight hit and everyone's lighting the fireworks. I think it's a very, very beautiful experience. I would say you gotta experience at least once in your life. It's a really something different than you can see anywhere else.
Fireworks and pagadas will be back again soon, and like always, we will gather together for it. I don't know if you noticed there, but that pagada clip was really short because you know what happens once a pagada is lit, everybody's gotta run. So all the footage after that was very shaky. Happy New Year, Ibong Anya, to you and your family. May 2024 bring you health, prosperity, luck, happiness, and so much more. Patela Noticia, Amita, Yentl Lieuw.